Hi there, this is Annie and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make a very interesting pizza for you. It's called the caramelized onions with beet and peas. Let's have a look at the ingredients right here. 1 pizza bread, 2 spoons of heavy cream, half a cup of milk, some beet, 1 cup of cooked peas, some chopped parsley, 1 cup of caramelized onions, half a cup of mozzarella cheese, half a cup of cheddar cheese, half a cup of parmesan cheese, 2 cloves of crushed garlic, some salt and pepper to taste. I'm going to make a really simple creamy white sauce for the base of the pizza. It's so easy to make. All I'm going to do is take half a cup of milk. So the healthy version would be take low-fat milk, 2 spoons of heavy cream. I'm gonna pop in a little bit of garlic, crushed. Again, it's optional. Give it a good stir. And I'm just gonna take cheese. Add some salt. And that's it. This is going to be my base. So here you go. It smells so good in here. I'm going to start now by pouring in my creamy sauce at the center and work my way around it, almost like making a pancake. And I'm going to leave about ½ an inch of the bread untouched so that my cheese and vegetables have space to expand when they cook in the oven. There you go. To this, I'm just simply going to add the beet first. Love the colors. I'm just using pizza as a way to get my family to eat different vegetables. My peas. Some at the center. There you go. Doesn't that look interesting? Really nice colors. And I'm going to add some parsley. Crack some pepper. I'm going to add the caramelized onions. There you go. And this delicious pizza is ready to go. This is going to be so yummy when it comes out. I love the colors and I absolutely love the textures of these vegetables. I'm going to take it off. Here you have a delicious caramelized beet and peas pizza.